1.2 Delegated Legislation. So, generally, the legislature makes laws and the executive implements the laws. But if the executive makes some small laws and regulations to the parent act or a law, then it can be called as delegated legislation. So, delegated legislation is the executive members only will make a small laws or regulations in order to implement the parent law or act. So that is called delegated legislation. So generally, due to the increase in the works of legislatures, the executive members are given powers to make delegated legislation in order to implement the main law. So one important aspect of delegated legislation is it should work according to the parent law or main law, but delegated legislation should not control the parent law. So in Kerala state, the case called Kerala State Electricity Board versus State of High Court case. So in this case, the Supreme Court has stated that the delegated legislation should not go beyond the powers of the parent act. If it has crossed or went beyond powers, then it can't give any effect. So, to improve the flexibility and to reduce the pressure on Parliament, delegated legislations was adopted, but it should not go beyond its powers or it should not overrule the legislation. So, this is related to the delegated legislation.